Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we are using up some more circles. I have got, on the last video we made some charms. Today's video I want to try an idea also from the Facebook group where a lady mentioned that she uses them down the side of a page as a page edge. By gluing the circles together in essentially a line. Now I've seen people do this with larger circles to make like belly bands. I've seen that, but I've not seen anyone do it with smaller circles and not necessarily as a belly band, but just as a decoration. So I thought I would give it a go. And so what I've done is I've gone through my circles. Yes, all the circles that I had. And I've just found circles that kind of go together, either because they're punched from the same paper pad or colours wise, tone wise, they sort of go, And I'm just going to simply, well, as you can see, I'm just gluing them together. And I'll show you how it's going to look once I'm done. So I've got some pretty like vintagey ones here. These were all punched from the same paper pad. I've got some pinks. These are all different shades of pink, or similar shade, but from different paper pads. And then I've got some grey. And again, I was just simply going through my circles to see what I had really. Now I know that I would like this purple one, well, ideally it would have been in the middle-ish, but I was too busy talking. So it will be not quite in the middle, but that's fine. And yeah, this is just going to be a fun thing. So I've got an A4 piece next to me, and ideally I want them to be, so that they would take up this whole piece. I don't know if I needed more circles or if I should have spaced them out more. I've never done this before, so I'm just finding out today. Okay, that's getting in the way. Easier to hold it in your hand. But if I need to put these on a smaller bit of paper, then I'll do that, because my journals often have different sized papers in them anyway, because I use just what I've got, as well as digitals and A4 sheets I do, but I also just go with what I've got. So yeah, I thought this would just be a great way to use up yet more circles. And as I say, I've not seen somebody do it as like a page edge decoration before. So these are all 1-inch circles, and what I will do is I will hang them over the side of the page. So obviously this, I need one more circle, but I don't have any. I might punch another one, or I'll just put it on a smaller bit of paper. And so what it would be is this little decoration down the side, and then if you turn the page, you would then be able to see the back of it, almost as decoration for wherever you are, or they could be as like little tabs, that kind of a thing, to help you turn the page. Now in the ladies example in the Facebook group, and I'm so sorry I'm not saying names, I didn't write names down when I when I went through the post. She was sewing them. I think she did a couple of lines of sewing through them, which I might very well do. Maybe that adds extra strength or something. But yeah, I quite like that as just a little idea. And yeah, it uses up a bunch of circles. So I'm going to sit here, as thrilling as it might be, and glue all these circles together. And yeah, for those of you who want to keep on watching, I will be here. I think I might try some other ways to do it maybe. I don't know. So this is a couple of different paper pads. So I've got some patterned pink and some plain pink. And I'm thinking, could it be fun to glue them, not just one on top of each other, but glue it so that the like patterned pink ones are on top and the plain pink ones are on the bottom. So in the aim of experimenting again, I'm just going to sort of see how I feel about that. Looks like I do also have some other patterns in here, so I have to make sure I don't forget about those. Oops. So I wouldn't do this with all my circles. I really enjoyed the charms. This idea was more just, I was curious how, yeah, whether I would like it and all the rest of it. I mean, you could even make like smaller ones. Like I quite like that, and I'm thinking, you know, could I have that as like a belly band across my page? Like, because I quite like that just as is. That's kind of fun, isn't it? So I might keep that one shorter. I just need to do a little bit of tidying up there where my punch was not so clean. Yeah, and then I could have that as like a little belly band. That would be fun too. So there you go. I quite like that with the, you know, overlapping like that. Hopefully you can see okay. So let's see what I've got in this pink variety then. So again, I've got some of these. So I'm going to put these together, and then I've just got these two, which I'm just going to put to one side. I was going to do something else, but if you let your creativity go where it wants to go, I mean, you can make all kinds of things that you didn't expect. So I want to make another one like that, I think. So I quite like that. I like the page edge idea as well, definitely. But in the interest of having a different set of things, I'm liking how this is looking. But yeah, if you're looking for more ideas of what to do with your circles, then definitely have a look at the Facebook post that's in the Facebook group, obviously, because there were some fabulous ideas. There was something like, I don't know, 100 comments, you know, including mine, saying thank you and I'll give it a go and stuff. Please ignore my dog. He's tired from his walk, so wants to let me know that he is groaning as he lays down. What was I saying? Yeah, there was lots and lots of ideas in the Facebook group. So do have a look if you're after more ideas. I think this will be the last idea that I will do on video for now, as 1 and 1.5 inch punches, because, well, if you saw on the last video, I'm actually down to not too many circles, considering what I started with. The charms that I made before really, you know, ate into them, so that's fantastic. And then here I've just got a selection of, I think actually these grey ones might have been from a greeting card, and the other one is a paper pad. And I'm really liking this, so I think I'm going to do another one like that. So as I say, I've got these pretty flowers, so I'm going to have those on top. And I mean, really, it could be a belly band going that way as well. It doesn't have to be horizontal. It's just because they're shorter, so, you know, I don't know where they're going yet. Time will tell. But I just thought, you know, things like this, it's not a very interesting task. And when you're in the groove of making a journal, sometimes you don't want to, you know, interrupt that flow. So it is useful to have things like this just ready to go sometimes. Definitely. Oops. So yeah, this will be a short and sweet video because these are the last circles I'll be doing this with. Oops. I still want to use up some, I've got like 2.5 inch circles that I've punched from various paper pads as well. So I will do a little mini series on using those up as well, because I've got some ideas for that. Again, wonderful ladies from the Facebook group giving me a hand as to what I should do. So I've got, yeah, that's fine. So there's that one. I really like this. I really like how that's looking. So I'll do the same again. And yeah, just sometimes it's nice just to sit down and just play with paper sometimes, isn't it? Just do something, anything, and you know, feel like you've had a little bit of a productive session in your craft room, even if you haven't made anything, you know, extraordinary. You've used up some bits, which is always feels good, I think. Yeah. Sorry, I was just umming and ahhing about where to put where to put things. And then I've got an odd number here, so I'll just put this one here. And this can be, I mean, they don't even have to be belly bands. I mean, this could be just simply a decoration on a page. It could be a little tuck spot. You know, it could be anything. So these are obviously the bases. They can be decorated up further. So if I had this down, I probably have it that way, to be honest. If I had it there, you know, I might add a little something in the middle here of this one. A little bird, a little mushroom, a number, a letter. I mean, it could be anything, but that could be really cute, just sort of down, you know, as like helps you turn the page. It's a little bit of a tab decoration. We can have longer ones be belly bands on a page. I don't know if I would add anything extra to that, or I would just leave it as is. It could be a belly band on a small like envelope going this way, or you can make the long ones, which is where the idea started, of being you know, all the way down your page. I think I do prefer this where they're overlapping. I think that looks really cool. I like those. So there you go. That is the idea for today. Using up more circles. How many did I use today? A few? I don't know. That's got to be another 30-ish circles. As I say, these were all already punched, sitting in my tub, waiting to be just something done with them. So it feels good to be using these things up. So yeah, very short and sweet video today. And yeah, just another reminder, get out your circles, get out your punches, and you can make, you know, fun little things like this. With, you know, if you've got the punch and you've got the paper, your scraps, for example, we've all got those, right? Then, you know, you can make things for very little money. It doesn't, you know, this isn't anything expensive, but that's going to look really fab as part of a bigger piece, or a part of a journal, as part of decorations, etc, etc. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Short and sweet. I hope that has inspired you to get out your circles. As I say, next time we're working with circles, I want it to be with my 2-inch circles, because I have a few of those as well. And again, we're going to make a variety of different things. So I hope you'll stick around for that. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.